Imagine for a moment that you could multiply your productivity by 10 without working more, without hiring anyone, and without spending thousands on tools you'll barely use. Imagine having an invisible team working with you 24/7, generating ideas, writing, organizing, analyzing, and executing tasks that used to take you hours, now in seconds. Today, I'm going to show you the 7 most powerful AIs for entrepreneurs. But this isn't just a list. I'm going to show you exactly how to use them, what specific tasks they solve, and how to combine them into a single system that quietly doubles your available time every single day. Because it's not about using AI. It's about knowing which ones matter, what role each one plays, and how to turn them into an engine that grows your business even while you sleep. Most entrepreneurs make a brutal mistake. They collect dozens of AI tools, test them for a few minutes, feel overwhelmed, and abandon them, not because they don't work, but because nobody teaches them how to fit these tools into their real workflow. This video changes that. Here you're going to discover the exact AI stack that actually moves the needle, the tools that think, plan, create, automate, and execute. And stay until the end because AI number 7 is the one almost nobody mentions, but it's the one that separates average entrepreneurs from unstoppable ones. So let's jump right in. Prepare yourself, because these aren't cute tools. These are strategic weapons, and once you understand how to use them, your competition won't know what hit them. The first AI on this list is ChatGPT 5.1. ChatGPT isn't a chatbot anymore. It's your strategic brain, your consultant, your planner, your analyst, your creative partner, your operations assistant. Entrepreneurs who use ChatGPT correctly delegate entire workloads to it. Full emails, full scripts, full research, audience analysis, framework creation, weekly planning, brainstorming, even decision automation. But its real power lies in persistent conversation. You train a single chat to know your business, your tone, your offer, your audience, your style, your goals, and it becomes a true partner. Think about it. How much would you pay every month for a consultant who saves you 6 hours a day? You already have one, and most people have no idea. The second AI is Claude. If ChatGPT is your strategy brain, Claude is your ghostwriter. Claude writes with clarity, structure, emotion, and natural rhythm. It's ideal for long-form scripts, storytelling, persuasive emails, product descriptions, ebooks, viral posts, ad copy, and structured content. When your ideas are messy, Claude turns them into polished, professional writing that sounds like you on your best day. If you've ever felt frustrated because your message doesn't land, or you don't know how to start writing something important, Claude takes your raw thoughts and shapes them into something clean, logical, and powerfully communicative. The third AI is Perplexity. Think of it as your full research department. Perplexity is not a search engine. It's a deep researcher that gathers data, compares sources, summarizes insights, and gives you the distilled essence of what matters. Entrepreneurs use it for competitor analysis, market trends, product validation, opportunity spotting, audience research, and topic exploration. Instead of spending hours opening tabs, Perplexity gives you what matters in one place, clearly explained, backed by sources. While others drown in information, you get intelligence in seconds. The fourth AI is Notion AI. Chaos destroys productivity. Organization multiplies it. Notion AI turns your scattered notes, tasks, ideas, meetings, and projects into a clean, automated, intelligent system. It can summarize meetings, generate tasks automatically, clean up notes, create project roadmaps, build knowledge bases, and keep everything connected. Many entrepreneurs aren't stuck because they lack ideas. They're stuck because their ideas are scattered. Notion AI turns chaos into clarity. The fifth AI is Midjourney or Ideogram. Every entrepreneur needs visuals, thumbnails, ads, brand identity, product shots, mock-ups, diagrams, slides, social posts. Hiring a designer every week is expensive and slow. These AIs let you generate polished, aesthetic, professional visuals in seconds. But here's the real trick. Don't just generate one image. Generate variations, build consistent looks, create full branding packs, and maintain visual identity. Suddenly, your brand looks like a professional studio created it. The sixth AI is 11 Labs. If you create content or want to expand your brand into audio or video, you need voice. And not just any voice, a voice that connects emotionally. 11 Labs gives you hyper-realistic voices that sound natural, expressive, and human. It lets you narrate videos, create podcasts, generate audiobooks, dub content, record ads, and produce voiceovers without spending hours recording or editing. The entrepreneurs who master audio and video today will dominate attention tomorrow. And now we get to number 7. This is the final piece of the puzzle, the one that turns all the other AIs into a machine. Zapier AI or Make AI. These platforms automate everything. They allow you to connect all your other AIs and build workflows that run entirely on their own. ChatGPT generates ideas. Those ideas are automatically sent to Notion. Perplexity produces market reports. Those reports are saved and organized instantly. Midjourney images are created, then automatically stored in your folders. 11 Labs generates audio, and it's immediately uploaded or sent to your editor. Suddenly, your workflow isn't a series of tasks. It's a fully automated ecosystem where tools talk to each other and work without you lifting a finger. This is the level where AI stops being a tool and becomes infrastructure. But here's where everything comes together. Let me show you how to use all 7 of these AIs as a single, unified productivity system. First, you start with planning. ChatGPT helps you outline goals, tasks, strategies, and ideas. Then Perplexity gives you the research and validation. Claude shapes everything into polished scripts, content, messages, and documents. Midjourney creates the visuals you need. 11 Labs produces the voiceovers. Notion AI keeps everything organized and structured. And Zapier or Make automates the entire pipeline so you don't waste time on repetitive work. With this system, your business no longer depends on your energy or time. It depends on your tools. And the best part is that these tools never get tired, never get distracted, and never lose motivation. Productivity no longer is about working harder. It's about working with augmented intelligence. Entrepreneurs who adopt these 7 AIs won't just move faster, they will compete on a completely different level. Because the truth is simple. You're not competing against other entrepreneurs. You're competing against entrepreneurs who use AI better than you. And now you have the exact playbook to stay ahead of 99% of them. If you want me to create a full video showing exactly how to build a complete AI productivity system from scratch, tell me in the comments, because that video will completely change the way you work.